According to the National Electrical Code, a bushing is not required on a 2-inch service entrance underground connector. Let's look at the NEC definition of a raceway. A raceway is defined as a channel for holding wires, cables, or bus bars, which is designed expressly for, and used solely for, this purpose. Raceways may be of metal, insulating material, or combinations thereof, and include supporting members where such support is provided as part of the design of the raceway. NEC requirements for bushings state that bushings are required where a raceway enters a box or enclosure per NEC section 312.6. Bushings are also required where a conduit passes through a wall, floor, roof, or other structural member, as stated in NEC section 314.17. Service entrance underground connectors are not considered raceways because they are not designed solely for holding wires. They are specifically designed for connecting underground service entrance cables. Therefore, the NEC does not require bushings on service entrance underground connectors. An inspector's decision may seem contrary to the NEC, but it is ultimately their responsibility to enforce the code. If they believe that a bushing is necessary for safety reasons, they are within their authority to require it. To avoid disputes, it is always advisable to consult with local inspectors before installing service entrance underground connectors. If an inspector requires a bushing, it is best to comply with their request even if the NEC does not explicitly require it.